Firstly, what you have to do is just simply search for Bing AI image generator. Then just simply open the first link. So once you're at the homepage of the AI image generator, you'll find a lot of options, as you can see right over here. So let me explain how you can use the AI image generator. Now over here in the front, you'll find the explore idea page, and under this you will find all the AI image generation that were made by the community of this particular AI image generator. So if you'll hover over them, you will be able to see the prompts that were used to create this particular image, which you're viewing, as you can see right over here. And if you would like to get something like this, click on them, then just simply copy the prompt, and after that paste your prompt right over here. Now before hitting enter, you will be getting a set amount of tokens that you can use for creating your images. Now one token is used for a single prompt over here, and it will give you 4 different variations of that same image. So now after that, all you need to do is click on create or hit enter on your keyboard, and now just simply wait for a few seconds, and now it will give you 4 different variations of the same image, as you can see right over here. And now once you like any image, all you need to do is click on the image. Then you can share the image, you can save the image, or you can download the image as well. So just simply click on download to download any image, and it will be downloaded, as you can see right over here. Now you can also save the image just by hovering on top of the image, and then you will find this small icon at the top right. Then just simply hover over to the save image section and just simply click on it, or if you want you can create a new collection. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to save in this old collection, so I'm going to choose this option, click on this, and now this particular image is now saved. To view this image, all you need to do is just simply go to the collection option right over here at the top right corner, click on the 3 lines, then collections, and right over here you will have your image with the prompt. So that's how you use Microsoft Bing AI image generator. So if you would like to use the image generator, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.